And there it is, my friends. My 2021 Floval Flyer 24-inch XL. This is the XL version. And I just want to do a bike check now that the bike is completed and it's ready to ride. Just want to let you guys know exactly what's on my bike. So, starting from the front, we got the Maxxis DTH tires. Badass tire. Race tire. That's the Maxxis 24-inch DTH. Connected with the box 1 front rim. Also, I got the box valve stem covers. Boom. Always gotta roll with the profile hubs, baby. Profile hubs. Front. We got the box carbon fiber forks. These are the XL version. Love these forks. Also, we got the long reach black lever box. Everything is box. Everything. Well, not everything. Number plate. The number plate came from box, and the sticker came from Potter Plates. They do the SE design. They'll put your number on there. They'll put your sponsors on there. If you want anything you want, they'll do it. Custom shop. Then we got the box ODI grips, lock-on grips. The lever actually locks the grip here instead of running a lock ring on both ends like this one. There's a lock ring there and there. So you just have one on this side. That is the box long reach lever. Then we got the oversized 6.5-inch box 1 bars. 6.5 inch. Oversized. 31.8. Also, we got the box stem lock. Box stem lock goes all the way through, locks those forks in place. We got the box 1 stem. It's a 31.8 also, 1 1/8. We got box spacers. We got a box 2 headset. We got the blue box spacer, top spacer, and the black box spacer on the bottom. I will be changing this out to a black one, probably next week. We got the Potter Plates side plate. I've heard that you have to have these now in the races. Not totally sure on that, but this is from Potter Plates also. You can get that from them, and it's custom made. Whatever number you want, they'll put it on there. Rolling down, we got the box 3 crank, 2-piece crank, 24mm box crank. Then we got Avian race pedals. These are the Pro, I forgot the name. Avian Pasaya or something like, I don't know, I forgot. Anyway, we got the box 2 39 tooth sprocket, made in USA. Then we got the Shadow Conspiracy half link chain. We got a carbon fiber 1-piece seat made by Box. Connected with the Pro Max having a brain fart. Whatever, I forgot what that is too. I forgot the name. Adjustable seat lock, whatever. Pro Max. That came with the bike, so I just kept that on there. Then we roll to the back. We got box 1. These are the big boys, the 108, I believe. Long reach brake system. But that's box 1 with the Maxxis torch in the back also. 24-inch. 24-inch box rim. SC chain tensioners, those came with the frame. We got the profile cassette hub connected in the back. Also, box valve stem cover. Boom. Yes, sir. The brake line is a linear box 1 linear brake cable. Fished all the way to the back. And that, my friends, is my 24-inch Floval Flyer race bike 2021. Ground up build. From the ground up. Late.